City of a million lights, 100 stories high, watching from above the world as it goes rushing by. Every street a memory, every window pane a dream, lost inside the motion of a never-ending stream. And I'm just trying to find my feet on this unsteady ground, looking for a quiet place in all this rushing sound. High above the avenues, I'm searching for a sign, a single light to call my own, a single star to shine. The bridges stretch like promises across the water deep, while down below the city never truly goes to sleep. I see the lonely river flow, a silver winding thread, and hear the whispered words of everything I left unsaid. And I'm just trying to find my feet on this unsteady ground, looking for a quiet place in all this rushing sound. High above the avenues, I'm searching for a sign, a single light to call my own, a single star to shine.